Welcome to dear friend of Mixer Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to power key, we can activate camera application, and for example, if you want to change this option, for example, just to use the torch or the Google Assistant, you should first launch the settings application and then scroll down to additional settings. After that, click here to gesture shortcuts, and to turn on torch by double press to power key, we should use this swatcher. Then click here replace, because before I just have launched the double press power key to launch the camera, and now by double press to power key we can see that the torch is activated. By the same way, you can swatch it again to the camera or to Google Assistant. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.